Zaporozhets, also known as ZAZ, was a Ukrainian automobile brand that produced cars from 1960 to the late 1990s. The brand was based in Zaporizhia, Ukraine, which is where the name Zaporozhets comes from. Zaporozhets cars were small, compact vehicles designed for everyday use and were popular in the former Soviet Union. They were known for their simple and rugged design, making them suitable for the challenging roads and weather conditions of the region. The most well-known model produced by Zaporozhets was the ZAZ 968, which was in production from 1972 to 1980. It was a rear-engine, rear-wheel drive car with a small 1.2-liter engine. While Zaporozhets cars were not known for their luxury or high performance, they were affordable and practical, making them popular among budget-conscious consumers. After the collapse of the Soviet Union, Zaporozhets faced challenges, and production eventually ceased in the late 1990s.